All right, let's turn this on. Oh yeah, that sounds bad. Let's go check the exhaust system. Alright, in the garage here, today we're checking out the Solari smoke leak detector, trying to pinpoint where that nasty, smelly exhaust leak comes from in my Scion XB. Got this on Amazon for 70 bucks. Does not include the smoke liquid, unfortunately. Comes with the bottle, and everything you see here comes with a nice hanger, easy to pour oil fill hole, and everything here. Pretty straightforward, plug and play. So, got my replacement parts here, exhaust donut gasket, in case if I need to change that, which I believe that's where the leak is coming from, because it sounds from behind the exhaust header. So, and also the exhaust flange bolts, new Dorman, also on Amazon for like 7 bucks, not too expensive here. So, function is pretty simple. Pour the liquid in here, plug this to your battery terminals, plug this to your intake or your exhaust pipe. Hopefully this is long enough, because if you're going to be plugging this to the front of your car, just hope that this reaches the back. There is no household plug for this, unfortunately, so you need to plug it into your car battery, or if you have a spare battery laying around, you can move it around, but unfortunately I don't have that. So let's plug this into the battery, see if this thing reaches, hopefully fill this thing up and see if I can find that leak. Let's go to the car. All right, instructions here say to add 30 milliliters of smoke oil. All right, let's fill this baby up. All right, unfortunately the cables will reach the battery, but the smoke hose won't reach the back exhaust. So my other strategy is to connect it to the intake, and hopefully it'll cycle through the engine and out through the exhaust. So hopefully this will work. If not, then I'll have to buy a longer hose that'll reach all the way to the back of the car. Yikes. All right, after some finagling, I managed to get it into the main intake. Okay, so unfortunately smoke never came out from the exhaust through the air intake, but it did not come out empty-handed. I noticed a small hissing sound coming from around this area of the car. So upon looking more and hearing more closely, I noticed that the hissing was coming from the oil cap. So after removing the oil cap, this is what I found. A blown gasket. So it did help me find the issue with that, of why there is oil spewing out from this particular corner, and maybe some of the exhaust gases came from the oil cap. But I am going to hook this machine up to the rear tailpipe of the car and see if I can find the major, bigger exhaust leak and get that gasket changed as well. All right, we're back here a few days later. Got myself an extension to be able to reach the back. As you can hear, it's on. Let's go check it out. Just barely managed to reach the exhaust, and whew, as you can see, there's smoke already. Let's go underneath and see where it's coming from. I see it from the rear. Let's see. Wow, that is a huge leak right by the coupler. Whew. Don't breathe this stuff in, guys. It stinks. Let me turn this thing off. And yep. All right, we're underneath here. There's still some smoke coming out from the flange coupler over there. You can see going down the rest of the exhaust. Don't really see smoke. I was always assuming that
loud exhaust was coming through the front, but apparently it's in the back. Now I don't think this one uses a donut gasket, it uses a regular flange gasket, but it's a good sign that you know, confirmed my suspicions that there wasn't a leak. But unfortunately it wasn't one that I was prepared for, so time to go online, get myself a flange gasket and get that thing fixed up.
All right, so this thing does the job. Unfortunately, it did not come with a hose long enough. I had to buy that aftermarket. It was 20 bucks for a cheap plastic rubber hose with a $5 fitting. So that was a ripoff. Unfortunately, they don't make those anywhere else, only the one I saw on Amazon. But I believe you can get yourself a vacuum hose, 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch, and get yourself a coupler cone adapter or something else that you can find from your local hardware store. But this thing is just plug and play. It's easier to use. Fortunately, 20 bucks. But anyways, this machine here is good if you want to check for vacuum leaks like it did for my oil cap. Got that gasket changed. $7 from the Toyota dealership, OEM, of course. So I have a link in the description for this smoke machine, and good luck finding your exhaust leak or vacuum leak. Thank you guys for watching.